it is December the 15th, and today is the day that I get my hair did. So Haley wanted all of her models to do their makeup, look pretty like we were going out. So I think I did just that. I'm not gonna lie. So my makeup today, y'all, looks so freaking pretty. Like, I did a really good job. Oh my gosh, I freaking love my makeup. I'm like not used to having this full glam, but yeah, I look so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have on this like leather dress. Ooh, let's go in with that pudge a bit. So yeah, I have on this like brown leather dress. It's so cute, y'all. I have on some black stockings, and then I have on my white cowgirl boots with that, and then this black jacket, and then I'm wearing my Prada today. Yeah, I just feel so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, like I look so good even like this. You feel me? With a pink bonnet on. Like I feel like, yeah, like I feel like $1 million right now. But yeah, y'all, this is like a look. Like I look like I'm like a Tennessee, Nashville type girl during the fall. Like, I'm a country girl at heart, but y'all already knew that. Yeah, y'all, so I'm just waiting on Haley. She says she's going to be in a little traffic coming from the city, so she won't get to the shop until like 1:20 or something like that. And it's 12:24, so I'm really doing good time. I was rushing myself earlier, but I'm glad that I slowed down a bit because I got everything done ahead of time, and now I just have time to play for it. So I do have to stop and get some gas. So I'm about to leave and stop and get some gas, and then I'm going to be on the way to Haley. So I'll see y'all when I get there. Bye. Right. Get into it, y'all. See your girl's doing good. Yes, ma'am. Book the look. Hello. Will be available soon. Yes. Closures on the way. Hello. Sew-ins on the way. Hello. Everything on the way. Hello. Yes. Eating. Period. You don't even do it. Just buy the bundles, bundle deals. Hello. Package deals, shampoo, blow dry. Everything's included. Everything's included. Just bring the money. Right. It brings me the money.
We hit the club and it's cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she not on the shot. That bitch bad, watch her blow. It's the way.
Damn. Yes, I'm excited for the crimps. The crimpies. Y'all don't play with Haley, cause she first time. Yes, first time, and look how she got this looking like a frontal. Hello. A frontal. Baby, you gonna have to be doing classes real soon. Don't play with a book. It's past booking an appointment. Right. Book a class. Learn the technique.
Had the pool in the middle.
Where is that at?
In Atlanta.
Oh my gosh.
It was real cute. I love strippers. And strippers love me.